Last time we made it to Busch Gardens, Tampa, we thought he had it. We thought he was going to get on his first B&M Invert, Montu. And he had the guts to get to the station and even put his butt in the seat. But when the chips fell, he just couldn't get himself to ride that coaster, no matter what I said or did.
You can't do it. Hey, listen to me. You're gonna think it's your favorite. I guarantee it.
And there he goes.
The gates are now closing.
You're gonna love it. This is widely considered the best one of them.
So that's why it was such a huge deal that he finally got on this coaster this year. And as a bonus, my daughter was even tall enough to get on it. The whole brood finally getting on Montu. Here we go.
I told you. Inverts are front seat, man. Most of them.